loving you. Yay. Got myself and everybody else some good old A&J, as well as we tried this new place called Sun Mary. Hopefully it's right. It's a little bakery that's right next to A&J. So yeah. Anyway, back here with your local Google guide. And, hopefully you guys enjoyed the previous video. And, yeah, just cruising. I was lucky. I got 2 green lights. Well, kind of yellow lights, but yeah, that's better than usual. Usually I'm like getting red light central here. Red light central. Every single light being red. But not today. Not today. At least I got a couple of yellows. Something to be thankful for, right? One time when you get the two yellows instead of the reds. All right. It always feels like it's faster to get home than it is to get to places in Irvine. Gotta laugh at the stuff that happens, right? Gotta laugh. If you don't laugh, if you don't like live the half glass full way, you feel depressed all the time. So you just gotta have to laugh at stuff. Ooh, here's some more good music. What is it? Come on, Toyota. All right, One Margarita by Luke Bryan. There we go, Luke Bryan. There's so many good Lukes in the country world. Luke Holmes, Luke Bryan, Luke, I don't know. There's just a lot. Margarita shine. Molly Maid. I don't know if they're any good, but if they were, I'd give them a shot. I just don't know. Never tried them. Never had enough money to try them. Yeah.